Installing an internal M.2 drive. Adjust the retainer on the M.2 backplane to accommodate the M.2 drive you want to install. Press both sides of the retainer and slide it until it is seated into the smaller opening of the keyhole. Locate the M.2 drive slot on the M.2 backplane. Note: some M.2 backplanes support two identical M.2 drives. Install the first M.2 drive in slot 0. Insert the M.2 drive into the connector at an angle of approximately 30 degrees. Push the M.2 drive down until the notch catches on the lip of the retainer. Slide the retainer toward the connector to secure the M.2 drive in place. Install the top cover.